on the Weather Channel. Extreme weather unleashed.
Grab the rope! Grab it tight!
Now it's man versus Mother Nature. Full force nature. Next on the Weather Channel.
Don't miss the power of Hurricane Week. All this week at 8 Eastern, only on the Weather Channel. And now your local on the 8s.
Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, isolated thunderstorms this evening. Skies will become partly cloudy after midnight. Low 66. Winds light and variable. Chance of rain 30%. And on Friday, partly cloudy in the morning, followed by scattered thunderstorms later in the day. High 86. Winds light and variable. Chance of rain 40%. And Friday night, thunderstorms early. Low 65. Chance of rain 40%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
And brand new eyewitness video to share. The severe storm swept through the Northeast and Pennsylvania tonight, producing a whole lot of lightning. A lot of people talking about this in the world of social media tonight, that's for sure.
And look at this. You can actually see the bolt coming down, kind of making a 7 there, and the flashy scenes looking, yeah, quite amazing here. Big scene we've been seeing throughout a good portion of the Northeast.
All right.